All right, guys, welcome back. Jack on Tracks and another episode of the Back Shop. And we're going to tackle the bottom of this Maine Central 40-foot boxcar from Red Caboose. All right, so just going through these incredibly vague instructions. I just basically started clipping. I clipped out one piece, number 6, which is actually the air brake pipe. This one right here. So it doesn't tell you how to do it, but after playing with it for a little bit, I've come to the conclusion that you got to put it in here first. Really makes no sense, kind of weird how it goes in. It doesn't specifically line up with any holes. There's a couple of cutouts in the bottom of the frame. As far as I can tell, that's the way it goes. There's a little nub or something there, and I don't know what that goes to, but I'm not going to cut it off because it looks like it goes to something. So all right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we are back. So I got this laid in here, and we're gonna finish getting it in place. All right, so we got that. So now we got to adjust this over here. Where's my file? All right, this is just a little high, but it's such a bad spot. If I make it back home, I'm just stuck here in a dream. All right, there it goes. Now it's sitting nice and tight down there. So next is going to be these 2 brake hoses. At the bottom of the ocean, I'm at the bottom of the sea. All right, guys, so we're coming here. When I find my brush, there's my brush. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to get in here and touch down these cross frames. Just basically on where the bolsters are. Let's just let this set up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna tack this down, and try to get this to hold in a little bit better. All right, so we got that, and that's this end. That little brake hose broke off. Nuts. All right. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I tweaked it, I guess, and it busted off. So we'll figure out that later, and we'll go from there. Seven goes just like that right there. I want to do something. I didn't do it on the other ones, and I just want to see if it makes a difference. That's pretty cool, right? All right. We got next. Next, we got this.
for the ocean. I'm at the bottom of the sea.
Little on-the-fly modification there. That's supposed to go like that. All right, so I got to run one more piece of hose, which is a little crazy. You know what we're going to do? It's going to be like a cat delete. No one's going to see that. No one's going to know, and I can't get it in there. I'm not going to kill myself with that one. So, all right, we pretty much got this bottom all done up. I have coming in the mail in the next day or so. I have the trucks coming. I got a nice pair of Katie's for it. Sprung trucks. So I'm going to give that a shot. Let's see if we can fix this. I don't know. If it holds, it holds. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So I think that's pretty much as far as I can go on the bottom of this. And should be getting the trucks in. But I think for now, just so I can protect this bottom a little bit, I'm going to throw these trucks on. I have to admit though, these aren't bad. They're not getting thrown out. These side frames. These are pretty nice looking side frames. And we're going to go with that. For some reason, I think I ordered the wrong ones. No, these are bandos. Yeah, I got the right ones. Put these on. All right, so give me half a second, and I'm going to refer to my box and get my tools out so we can get these installed correctly. Be right back. All right, so what we got here is a Katie tap and die set. Why? Because if you just run the screw in, you mushroom out the plastic, and it doesn't sit right. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take these, and we're just going to tap it. All right, going through the other side. And that's it. I actually, if you saw, I fixed a hopper car that I had. And this is the technique that I used to do it. I had to tap these out because that was a push pin hole. Still not 100% correct, but it's functional. Here I go. I'm going to the other side. Those are self-tapping. I'm not going to do with those. I have the correct ones right here.
If I make it back home.
screw right in. So nicey nice. Let's go. You know, if you're going to spend all the time on doing all this, you might as well spend the time on doing it all right, right? I don't know. These are actually real trucks. Huh. Flush. All right. So, I mean, we're pretty much done with this bottom. So, yeah. Let's we'll call this the end of this video. I think we'll do one or two more. We'll be all finished. But yeah, it's coming along nice. Looks pretty good down here. I might come in here and I might tape this bottom off. When I pull these trucks off, I'll tape it off. I'll hit this with a dull coat to flatten this down. Maybe give it a little a dry brush in there. Something new. I never tried it before, but this is such a nice model. I don't want to do anything too stupid and screw it up. You'll find out that I kind of like my trucks dirty and my rolling stock clean. So that'd be a big thing for me going to weather something. So let's go from there, and we'll just close the video. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and you know, I appreciate you guys watching and putting up with my nonsense. You know, and as always, thanks for watching, and catch you later.